Smile and learn!
Welcome to the wonderful world of words. Today we're going to talk about some tools that writers use to make their stories more interesting. We're talking about 3 types of figurative speech: similes, metaphors, and hyperboles. Let's find out what they are and how they can make our writing even more exciting. Simile. Have you ever heard the expression fast as lightning or stubborn as a mule? Well, those are similes. A simile is a comparison between 2 things, using like or as to highlight their similarity. Can you think of any other examples of similes you've heard? I've also heard some before. For example, I've been told many times that I sleep like a baby because I sleep very soundly. Another example is that my friends always say I'm as clever as a fox because I'm really good at solving math problems. Metaphor. Now, imagine I want to say that someone is very tall. Could I say, Peter is as tall as a giant? Sure, but what if I simply said Peter is a giant? That's a metaphor. In a metaphor, we don't use like or as. We simply say that one thing is another to emphasize how similar they are. You've probably heard people say time is money to say how precious time is, or life is a roller coaster to say that life is full of good times as well as bad. Metaphors highlight the relationship between 2 unrelated things. It isn't literal, but rather a way to help us to express ourselves better and in a more descriptive way. Can you think of other examples of metaphors? Excellent. Hyperbole. Let's continue with hyperbole. What a fancy word, don't you think? But don't worry, it's not that complicated. Hyperbole is a figure of speech that exaggerates a situation, quality, or characteristic to emphasize it. Imagine saying, "I'm so hungry, I could eat a horse." You aren't actually going to eat a horse, but it does give others an idea of how very, very hungry you are. Another example is, "I've been waiting for you forever." We know I haven't been waiting literally forever, but you understand that I've been waiting for a very, very long time. Now it's your turn. Think of something you really like and try to describe it using a simile, metaphor, or hyperbole. How does it make you feel? How does it smell? When it comes to your words, the sky's the limit.
We've learned so much in just one video. Did you know there are many more videos? Imagine how much you could learn. Subscribe to the Smile and Learn educational channel to learn and have fun at the same time.